Well, welcome back. Well, rain chances on the high side overnight tonight, a little bit of a breather tomorrow, then another round of rain and storms tomorrow night. Tonight, though, the threat of severe weather. So let's take a look at this graphic. I like this graphic. It's very informative. And our technical director, Madeline Cerner, likes it as well. So we're going to start with that. And we have these high rain chances through daybreak tomorrow. Then we kind of level off to scattered activity during the day tomorrow. Then tomorrow night, we see rain chances ramping up for all the cities in Acadiana for the most part. And then as we head towards Saturday morning, rain chances begin to slowly going down. The blue line, Morgan City, the white line, Morgan City, blue line, New Iberia, last to see the rains. And you can see as you get farther west toward Jennings and Opelousas to the north, rain chances will tone down a little bit sooner on Saturday during the day. So here's the big picture. Big storm system developing in the nation's midsection. More action and snow action at higher elevations in the west, but we're dealing with all the green and some of the red. That's where the storms are strongest. So let's get into it. Talk about the Doppler radars as we scan the area-wide Doppler radars. We have 12 Doppler radars going at this stage, and we're watching the storms in southwest Louisiana, particularly as we get into Cameron, Jeff Davis Parish, now moving into Acadia Parish. These storms have had a history of strong and gusty winds, at least in the 40 to 50 mile per hour range. This one storm moving into Jeff Davis Parish, we had a warning for earlier. A lot of positive cloud to ground strikes. That means strong updrafts and downdrafts, so the possibility of damaging winds. And you can see the action also intense as we get down into Cameron. Let's get in even a little bit closer here. You can see the cloud to ground lightning, in some cases the ground to cloud lightning, and the same here as we get just to the southwest of Jennings. Very intense rainfall, gusty winds more than likely. So let's take a look at the velocity here again, and we'll put that in motion, and we'll see the possibility of damaging winds showing up right here in southern Jeff Davis Parish. So the winds really picking up and heading east, so be on the lookout there. And again, we did see almost a little bit of a tornado signature developing in the middle of the marsh in Cameron, but that has since fallen apart. So we'll continue to watch it closely. Bigger picture here, you can see the storms moving across the area. And one more thing that we'll go ahead and show you is do a little storm tracking here so we can see. And again, the Doppler radar indicating the possibility of some rotation with this cell here that is just to the southwest of Jennings, showing us a mesocyclone, maybe some hail as well, and it is moving generally to the northeast at about 26 miles an hour. So we'll watch these storms very closely as they continue to push through the area, and we can actually put this in motion too, and you can see how it's been changing, this one mesocyclone that we've been tracking. So the possibility of damaging winds through the overnight hours here. We'll get rid of the deal here, and you can see that much of Acadiana, we'll say along and south of Highway 190, still in a slight risk of severe storms, and is going to be primarily between about now and about 4 a.m. We'll show you that. Severe weather threat diminishing first thing in the morning and then pushing off to the east down to a marginal risk. So let's look at the latest extended HRRR model, keeping it stormy through midnight, 1 a.m., and the possibility of a few storms going over the same area. So that's where you're going to see a couple of inches of rain fall in just a few hours. And then things quieting down as we head into tomorrow. A few spotty showers. Doesn't look like much going on during the day, but as we head into tomorrow evening, Friday night football could be on the wet side for sure, with additional showers and some embedded storms. And then even going into Saturday, I think we're going to see lingering shower activity still in the 40 to 50% range. This is the helicity. This is your tornado spin potential. Here we are at midnight, and we'll progress it over the next couple of hours. So you can see the coastal parishes the most at risk for maybe something spinning up that could produce damaging winds, perhaps an isolated tornado up until about 3 a.m. Then those dynamics go away, and we'll just have plain old rain and locally heavy downpours. Through midday tomorrow, additional rainfall, about an inch or less. Lafayette on northwestward, heavier amounts down toward the coast where we're seeing those big storms. And then you add the additional rain tomorrow night. We're going to see generally, after all is said and done, about 2 to 4 inches. And the same goes with the graph model. The graph gets a little hot and bothered. It did last night. night on the 0Z run, so we're going to discount some of the numbers here, but the bottom line, locally heavy rainfall in the mix. So windy, getting windier too as those storms move through over the next few hours. Winds gusting up to about 30 to 40 outside of the severe storms. Rain chance at 100%. And then for tomorrow, a stormy morning, warmer as well, 77 the high, with another round of storms developing late in the day, more than likely into tomorrow evening. So we'll go 100% tonight, 90% for tomorrow night, 60% Saturday. Rain chances are pretty much done with Sunday, but clouds linger into early next week. And then it finally clears out and cools off for a couple of days before our next weather system shapes up late next weekend or beyond. That's it for weather for now. We're going to have more coming up right after the break.